What's up, guys? It's me, Pokemon Boxer Will, and today I'll be opening this Mimakuy tin that we got at our local Dollar General. So first we have some sleeve, just in case we get a good pull. Got a Charizard mat, my binder. Got some cards, and more cards. So let's leave that open right there, just in case we get a good pull. Are you guys ready for this? Because I am. All right, let's open it up. Got our Mimakuy promo hollow. Let's put that in the sleeve. All right, there we go. Now, let's open this thing up. Let's see what packs we get. Ooh, here's a code card for you guys. We got Brilliant Stars, Fusion Strike, and Evolving Skies. That's a good, this right here. It's a good lineup right there. All right, let's open up Evolving Skies. Let's see what we get. Imagine we get the Umbria. Okay, let's see. Code card right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry. All right, Fire, Nuzleaf, Gold Duck, Rubber Gloves, Bagon, Litleo, Lotad, Pterosaur, Croco, Rapid Strike, and not a good close card. All right, put this up off to the side. All right, got Fusion Strike. See what we can get. If we pull this Gengar code card, let's go. BFE Pass, Metapod, Simpor, Mankey, Galarian Zigzagoon, Chansey, Vulpix, Quillfish, and Nanoa. So nothing, I don't see luck this time.
Don't like it.
Alright, Brilliant Stars, this is my luckiest pack. I pulled some really good cards out of here. If we get the Charizard, Alolan Charizard V, I'm going to freak out. Code card. So 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Evil, Thurskops, Morgram, Sock, Quillfish. Oh, I see something. Gollet, Chimchar, Singapy. I see something. And a Flygon V.
Ooh, pretty good.
That's a hit.
Alright, that's pretty good.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, go like this video and drop a subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of in 3 months. I'm sorry. 100 subscribers, please. I'll be doing more videos like this. Hope you guys have a great day. Pokemon Boxer out.